Many, many years ago, I went to a meeting in Ndeeba. USAID meeting. USAID meeting. I had been told that I was invited. I said I cannot come without an invitation. They typed a very good invitation from the American embassy to me personally. You are invited and your seat will be reserved. They reserved the seat somewhere in the back. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 or 7 rows back. I sat there, my name had been there, put the slip in my jacket and sat. And discussion went on, everyone was talking. And then this man from USAID asked a question. Where are these people called the born-agains, the Pentecostals, the evangelicals? I don't see them here. I see all these other religions, but I can't see the balokole. And a reverend, actually a bishop, a whole bishop shot up, says, sir, you don't have to worry about them. We think for them. I was seated and holy anger rolled up in me. And I stood up and I said, no, sir. You cannot think for us. We have brains, we have heads. And today I am representing me and anyone else who is in my category. You can't think for us, we think for ourselves. Oh, sorry, Pastor, I did not know you were there. Well, now you know. Now I'm here. From now on, nobody's going to think for you. Nobody decides how you eat, how you dress, what you look like. People thinking for you. This is not community thinking. This is supposed to be you thinking for yourself, planning your life. Every weakness, every impotence that this man experienced cannot be attributed to you anymore. From now on, you shall fend for yourself. You shall defend your position. You will think for yourself. Your children, your children's children will depend on mama's brain, on daddy's brain. Can somebody shout hallelujah? We think for you. Even if it's a police cell, you can tell them I need more soup or more gravy. This is not a prison. This world belongs to us. This beautiful world belongs to all of us. I know I'm talking to somebody here. Nobody should sit there and say, oh, you're thinking for who? Ask your neighbor, you think for who? Oh, come on, people, ask them. Think for me.